Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a knee brace, and so this is supposed to support your knee. So let's check this out. I've used some knee braces before. It's funny that it comes with a Ziploc bag. I guess you can put it back in there if you want to at some point. But here we go. So this is what it looks like here. What else did it come in here? Just how to clean it, wash it and stuff. Okay. And so this is what it looks like here. This one here is just a sleeve, kind of one that goes over. You don't have to worry about straps or anything like that, so it's super easy to put on. Let me aim you guys down here at my top of the table here, and this is where I'll do it. So this is it here. You can see this is going to be where your knee goes right there. I don't know if there's a top and bottom necessarily. Hard to know. I guess this is the top because it's got the tag on it there. Okay. And this is it there. So now it's on my knee, and now it's going to give me my little knee support, and that actually does give me knee support. That is good. It's a nice little knee brace. It's super easy to put on. It's so much easier than those ones with the straps and stuff. So this is it here. This is what it looks like here. It's got like some sort of gel or something around here, and then this is a little bit open, so it does give you a little bit of knee space there. And it's got some, looks like maybe some adjusting. Let me see. Let me take this off and look at it for a second. On the side here, it's just where it's got the, this is where it's got the bars in it to hold it, to give it more stability. That's cool. It's a nice little knee brace. So totally awesome. If you need one of these, this is what to get. Totally cool. Thumbs up.